Good morning and welcome back to Beautiful Mind. I've decided lately that I can't keep up with answering the amount of questions. I'm putting in 4 hours a day just answering questions where I'm not getting paid. So I was feeling my energy was being diverted, and now I'm coming back to all my paid clients and focusing on my work more. So here's a major update for longitude prices. This is going to be a couple of minutes, so pay attention to this. Here we go. Talking about Bitcoin, this is the daily chart. I want to go back a little bit and talk about a few things. Okay, so I have added, you can see on my ring, account. So not only can we find prices on the square where the planet is, so if the sun is here, this is March 17th, by the way, which is the longitude of these prices. We're going to talk about all this in a second. You should pause this and take a really good look at all my answers and my work here. Okay, so if the sun is at this point in time, we can use the square and we can say, well, the prices are vibrating between, well, right now, 86 right now. Also, we can use the price scale going around, and it can continue on. So if you lose a price above 360, we'll just continue at 37, 38 until you come all the way around to your next ring, which will be your third ring, right? Because 360 is the end of your second ring. The end of your third ring is 72. Your fourth ring is 108. Your fifth ring is 144. Just like I've put here for March 17th, I've gone with the third ring. I've also populated a fourth and fifth. These readings are all calculated on a third ring theory. So pricing, I'm saying, is averaging between these 2 points, 112 and 76. If you add these two together and divide them by 2, you'll get 94. Now, I just want to point out that 94 is exactly right there. 72 is right down here on this angle, and 112 is right there. So just pay attention. We could be in for a major rush and a fake out. So I wanted to point out, I had another question about the longitude of price on November 26th, and this is where the bodies were, and on my scale I've wrote these down. I've done a cycle of 12. I've done a mean of 5 with Mars out. Gann talks about that. And I just want to talk about as well, this is the, it's a cycle of 8 with Mars out. Mars I think is in on this one. And the average price on that day is 86. Let's go have a look at this date, November 26, 2024. Now I'm saying that it could be 82 to 96 to 86. Let's go take a look. November 26, 2024. It's that day. The price that day is between 96 and 90,000. So I put that here, that day, right? 90, 96,000. What's the average closing price there? The closing price was 90,000 or 92,000. Okay. So we're saying that our mean of 5 captured it. However, we could have moved down to 82, but we didn't on our cycle of 12. And we were close on our cycle of 8 at 86. So I just wanted to show you how you could do that, and that you can take all these objects and you can use them in the ring. And of course, with the degrees of the zodiac here, we're using it as a scale. This is what William is teaching us. This is what this guy is teaching us. William knows a lot of stuff. I own all his books and courses, and I'm, of course, teaching you all this stuff. This is our purpose-built square of 9. And I just wanted to share this stuff with you. All right. So peace and love to y'all, and have a great day.